If you're having trouble growing your trading account, catching profitable trades, and you don't know where to put your stop loss or take profit, you're going to want to check out this new indicator. Just came out today. We just created it. Been working on it for months. And it's going to tell you where exactly to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit, and which way the market is going. And pretty much it's going to help you trade on your own and be able to catch big trades, whether it's crypto, whether it's Forex, whether it's stocks. So we're going to dive into the indicator right now, and we're going to show you guys exactly how we use this new revolutionary tool. Alright, so let's dive right into this tool. So the first feature we have in this indicator is we have our signal bars. So with the indicator, you get 4 indicators, and you can use every one of them can catch different high probability trades. So you're going to want to know how to use all 4 of them, and we're going to start one by one using all 4. So let's go to the charts, and I'm going to just wipe the charts fresh. I really don't want to lose all my progress, but let's see if I can open up a new chart. Yeah, we'll use this one. Oh yeah, this chart's horrible. Perfect. So take this chart for example. This is how you use the time wick signal bars indicator. You go on a time frame. You can be on a 2-hour, 4-hour. This is what I recommend. You can do it on lower time frames. It works on every time frame. You go, but the way I like to use it, I go on a 2-hour, 4-hour. I go look and see if we have 3 candles in a row of the same color. So 1, 2, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3 right here. So I'll show you with these 2 trades how we would have traded it. We see the 3 candles. We place our buy order here, and our stop loss will go below the second candle. So below this candle is where you place your stop loss, the second candle, and then you go for a trade that is 3 to 1. Boom. So this is a trade. You go in, you take this trade 3 to 1. This is 4,443 pips in one trade. So these are huge trades that this indicator is able to catch you. Even if you just caught a little piece of this trade, it'd be nice. Over here we have another example. We get 1, 2, 3 bars. Put our stop loss below the second bar. Boom. And we go for a 3 to 1 trade. When I say 3 to 1 trades, that means the risk reward ratio shows 3 to 1 risk reward. So we go catch another 3 to 1, and it even goes past it. Like you catch bigger trades, bigger moves, but your job is to catch, at least minimum 3 to 1. You can go 4 to 1, 5 to 1. Like this is a really good indicator. It gives you the move as soon as it happens, so you'll be up to date. So you just saw 2 setups. Let's see if we can find some shorts happening. So you go back. When you see price flickering, you just stay out of it. There's no need to even trade when price is doing this. It's just red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. It helps you avoid the market when there's no 3 candles in a row. So let's say we were shorting right up here. We got 1, 2, 3 candles in a row. We come short position. We enter as soon as this third candle closes, enter at the closing price. Your stop loss goes past the second candle, and you catch your 3 to 1 trade. Boom, 3 to 1, and you're done. Now, if you want to catch more pips, like I said, it sets you up to catch more pips because you're getting the beginning of the move. Like these candles, when it's 3 in a row, it happens every time the trend turns around. You get like 3 in a row. So the move is gonna go for a long time. You can even stay in this trade until you see 3 candles in a row. But just take your 3 to 1, take your 4 to 1, get out of there. You're done trading for it. This is huge pips. This is 1,300. This is 1,300 pips right here. So you're getting huge pips, huge moves off the indicator. Right here we got another 3 in a row. And let's see. So catch 3 in a row. 1, 2, 3. This is a really fat middle candle. In this example, you won't even get it. We didn't get a 3 to 1 on this one actually. On this one, the farthest was 1.18 to 1. And after you see a big green candle like this, you probably should exit, because it means there's a lot of huge buying pressures. The red and green colors of the candle mean that these candles are huge candles for the buyers or the sellers. And when you see them flickering back and forth, that means it's a trading range. So when you see this, you can really get out of your trade because it's flickering. But that's what the green candles represent, the red. If I was to turn the indicator off, my charts are normally black and white. So the black and white candles, just black is for bears, white is for bulls normally, and then the red and green shows you the ones that are actually meaning something in the charts. So this trade right here, this didn't go for the 3-to-1. You could have got out early, or you could have just, as soon as it went down, you could have moved your stop loss, break even. You could have got out break even, or you could have just let it hit your stop. So you would have hit one trade, lost one, hit two, hit three. Let's go back and see if we can see more 3 candles in a row. Right here is 3 red in a row. It was kind of tough to see. Oh, they're all along this right here. So come here, 1, 2, 3 reds in a row. Entry, stop loss, 3-to-1. And you can use these trades on funded challenges too. Like, you can pass your funded challenges with these. Catch that huge move right here, 800 pips. Because this is a 2-hour chart, guys. So on the 5-minute, these are big moves. They just look smaller on the 2-hour chart. Come right here, 1, 2, 3 again, 3 reds in a row. Same thing. Come at the end of the 3rd candle, entry, stop loss goes, the end of the 2nd candle, and then you come and you catch your 3-to-1. So we call it 1 trade, 2 trade. Oh, right here is another 3. Oh, this is the one we call it. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see. This is the 3. We call that one. That one can even count as a fail or a take, depending on how you traded it. But even if it's a failure, you caught so many 3-to-1s that your account is always going to be up in profit. But let's see if we got more of these. Let's just keep doing more to show you what a back test. We'll do 10 of them, so you can see out of 10 trades how many trades you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find more. Come in. I'll zoom up. If we go on a smaller time frame, we'll find more of them too. But let's stay on this for now. No, 3 in a row. No, 3 in a row. Let me know if you see 3 in a row too, Wiggs. Right here, 3 in a row right here. Boom. So 3 in a row. And you can see that it helps you stay out of the market when the market doesn't have a trade. Like, you'll avoid the market in days where it's not a good day to trade. So 3 in a row right here. Entry right here. Stop loss going right here. 3-to-1. 3-to-1 right here. And this trade hits over here. And it goes a little farther too. So that's another 3-to-1 and done. Come again. We'll look for more trade setups. This one right here is 3 in a row. So you got 1, 2, 3. Buy it. Stop loss goes right here outside of that. And 3-to-1. And it hits TP right here. Literally hits TP and then turns around. So like a perfect trade. So we'll look for 2 more of these setups and then we should be done. So right here, we got another 3-to-1. Right here, the middle bar is a huge bar. And honestly, when your middle bar is huge, you can go for half of this as your stop loss, but we'll keep the same rule for the end of it. And this trade, it goes up, the most it goes 1-to-1, and then it cancels. So every time you see the second bar is really huge, it makes it tough for the trade to complete. That's what we're noticing. So we got 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, 6 trades, 7 trades, 8 trades, 9 trades. We'll go for 1 more, and we'll see our percentage on this. And I'm just doing them all in order too, like to give you guys an idea. Is that a green? No, it's not a green bar. No. It's a black bar. Right here, 3 red. Come here for the short. 1, 2, 3. A huge second bar again, so you guys kind of know what that means. We'll go for 1 to 3. this trade fails and reverses. So let's see how many trades we hit out of 10 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we hit 1, we hit 2, we hit 3, we hit 4, we hit 5, we hit 6, we hit 7, 8. No, we lost one of these down here. I know. Oh, right here. Right this there. One that wasn't a 3 to 1. So we lost 3 out of 10. So this indicator hit for 70% of the trades on the 2-hour time frames. So 70% of the trades that hit. And then you guys already know from the other video, if you know about equity curves and everything, you guys already know that being 70% accurate at 3 to 1 is enough to grow your account. But I'll go into it right now just to show you guys the power of this indicator and how you really can use it. So I'll open up the equity curve. And this is our goal, to really make it so that everyone here can trade on their own and be, you know, high probability traders. Like, and the tool really does that on any time frame, which is crazy. We'll go to another time frame in a second. So I'll open up this. I gotta go Firefox. Okay, apply. Boom. So this right here, this is an equity curve simulator. I'll put it above our head so it doesn't block it. And so let's say you got like $100, $1,000. I don't know. I hear people starting with everything from 100 to 1,000. So the middle, I'll just put 300. Let's say you're starting with $300 trading. I can't even do 100. Just to show you guys, like, it's not about the money, it's really about the math. So boom. Let's say right now you have $100, 100 pounds, and your win probability is 70%. And you're going for 3 to 1 trades. All the trades are 3 to 1. And you take 100 of those trades. You take 100 3 to 1 trades. We can do less too, but let's just say you do 100 3 to 1 trades, because you're gonna have this indicator. You can trade anytime you want. You can go down to smaller time frames, and the same rules apply. You can you can do 100 of them in a week. One trade, your risk per trade. Let's say you do 1% first. Your $100 is turned into $500, or $450. And every time we run the simulation, it's a profitable simulation. We wanted to make an indicator that had the ability to do this. And it took a lot of time to make sure that you never go down with your money. Now let's say you want to risk 3%, you want to go a little bit more risky. That $100 turned into $10,000, and after 100 trades, $25,000 in this simulation. And it's still gonna always be up. Let's say you even wanted to go more risk. Let's say you was like, yo, you know what, I'm going 5%. Screw it. You can go into 70K territories now, 25K, just off of taking 100 of these huge trades that you just saw. Same risk, same reward, and keeping it the same. Never goes down. Now, if you start risking like 50% of your account, if you risk half your account per trade, sometimes it's gonna look real good, like you're making a lot of money, but you're gonna come up and go back down ultimately. Like, I never recommend risking more than half your account, even though being 70% accurate, you can take that risk and it still looks good. There's always gonna be that one scenario where you do come up and go down, so I don't recommend doing that. And that's what I offer $100. Like, you don't need much money to make money trading. You just need to take the same consistent setup every time and over, and you have a 70% probability setup, you'll be profitable. So this is our goal with the indicator. We wanted to make sure that everyone was able to be profitable traders, and we were able to do it. So let's go back into the indicator now. So you got to see that indicator. That's the time with signal bars. That's our signal bars. You're gonna love that. You're really gonna love that. I'm gonna close the signal bars. I'm gonna delete it. Remove these trades, and we're gonna go to indicator number 2. We'll do the EMAs next. So this is our EMA settings, and then with the signal bars, you have settings and stuff. You can change the size of it, and you can tweak that type of stuff, and just adjust and do your back testing. So we're going to the EMAs now. Now the time works EMAs. This is how we set our EMAs up, and we made a different color so you guys can differentiate everything and make sense of it. But basically, how we use it is when the EMAs is bunched up, we know we're in a trading range. Like over here is bunched up, trading range, and when the EMAs are spreading apart, like they're getting farther apart from each other, price is trending. And this is pretty much used to determine the trend. Once the price is above the red line, it's an uptrend. When it's below the red line, it's a downtrend. And this is how you use it. Oh, we're above the red line, always an uptrend. You're looking for buys, buys, buys. Everything's a buy until we get below the red line. Then we're going to sells. So this is why we have this indicator. It's to help you determine a trend. So, for example, when you combine it with signal bars and you see sell indicators on a downtrend, you know you got a definite downtrend. And you know they line up. Like, you really can use either or. They both work good. It's just an extra confluence. You want to have multiple confluences to increase your trades. So let me show you some trades I would catch with this. When all the prices cross each other like that, I'm looking to take trades. So, and I take trades until the prices bunch up again. So right here was the bunch up point. My stop loss would be under the red line. You can even do half of the bar, but you'll be under the red line. You take a trade, a buy until the price crosses the red line again. So this trade is still going on. We can't really do that one. We'll do it right here though. Price crossed below the red line. Stop loss over here, the bar right before it crossed, outside of it, and then you're taking the trade all the way into price crosses the red line, which is right down here. It doesn't cross it to over there. Over here, it tries to cross it, but it comes right back down one candle. So it has to come over it and close it out. So this is a 26-to-1 trade. These are huge trades. We'll find another trade right here. And this is the power of just trading with the trend and knowing which way the trend is going. We got a cross right here, price cross, stop loss outside of the bar, and the price doesn't cross the bar right here. Boom. That's a nice 3-to-1 trade, 3.28-to-1 trade. Right here, price crossed again. Price crosses, you put your stop loss outside the bar right there, and you get out when the price crosses right back and closes above it. That's a 2-to-1 trade. And you could have got out at the bottom, whatever you wanted to do, but the rule is you shouldn't be out when the price comes back above and closes above it. Just get out. Right here, price is just flickering on the EMAs. These are not trades. Price has to be below and close below it with 2 bars. So we'll find the next setup right here. Price came below it, closed below it, and 2 bars. Stop loss would be over here, the bar right before, and then it crosses the indicator and it stays above it, 1 bar right here. 3-to-1 trade. This bar would be to get out, comes back, gets above it, or get out over here like 3-to-1 trade. And I would literally get out right here on a 3-to-1. But we could do more trades like this, like all the EMAs cross right here, price comes above. I'll show you guys again. Price cross right here, stop loss above, or I think this bar right here was the cross. No, it has a cross stay above. It crosses stays above, and then we get the price crossing back and below right here. It's a 5-to-1 trade. And this is understanding the trend. You can combine this with the signal bars and stuff like that to really get a better confluence of what's going on. And it's going to take your trading to the next level. But this is how you use our EMAs, and we set them at specific points and stuff. So, like the exact way we use them, that's how it's set for everyone. So you guys don't have to take any guessing. And the probability of this indicator is it's always going to know the trend. Some trades are going to bounce out, so I'll put it around like 70-80% just because, you know, you're going to have some that bounce out, but it's a very high probability trading tool. And it's not lagging at all. It shows you exactly when price is doing what. So let's go into the next indicator. This is one of my favorite ones. So that this is Ty and Wook's session trading time. So you get to see our best trading times when we take our trades with this indicator right here. And to see it, you have to be on the 5-minute chart or something below, and it shows you. So every time there's an Asian session, it shows you in blue. When there's a London session, you see it green, and when there's a New York session, you'll see it gray. So you can go back in time. You can track when we trade. Just the times we trade when it's the Asian session. This is where we catch our trades. This is where we trade during London. This is where we trade during New York. And that's how we trade. These are our trading times. And on Fridays, you're always going to see the market do something really astronomical, which is really cool. And basically how we use this indicator is like this. It's not going to show now because the sessions are already closed out, but it'll literally show a line right here. And I'll make this line 4x. It'll show you like a dash line. It'll be a dash line right there. And it'll show you a dash line right here at the bottom of the Asian session. And then it'll give you one more dash line. It'll give you one more dash line at the middle of the Asian session. So every day you have 3 dash lines every session. It'll be blue for Asian. So once Asia comes and they set their prices and stuff, they put their high point, low point, and midpoint. What we do with this indicator is we wait for price to come. In the London session, like London's right here, price comes in London session, it touches the top, it comes here, and then it goes above that price. So this is where we take our entry. We see where price is going to close above or below a certain one of these support or resistance lines. We treat these as support or resistance based on where price is at. So then now we know price is above this major. It'll be support now. We see price above support during London session. So we're like, all right, everything's above support. That means price is pushing upward. We'll take our trades to the upside. And we'll use this in confluence with the signal bars and everything. So we'll see where we're at support, resistance. It's just no real trade, price above it. And then we come in around New York session. But as long as price is above it, you can take buys above it. When price is below these, you can take sells below. So I'll show you right here on another day what I mean. Price is above this indicator. It'll give you 3 lines. You're going to see it when it's live. Like, it's not showing because the market is closed and it's about to close. Price comes, wicks in, pops above it, and then you just ride this trade up. We'll do it another day just to show you guys again. High, low, midpoint. So now we're waiting for price to get above or below. Above or below. Price chooses to go above, we take a buy. Price comes up. We'll do it again for another day. This is actually a really good day right here. So now some days you're gonna have the Asian session where they go super broad. I'm gonna delete every line just not to confuse myself. We'll have the price there, 1, 2, and in the middle should be like right here. Boom. So price opens, London comes, they go above it, they can't really get away, they come back below it, they come straight to the middle. Like they have to, when they come in below, they're coming to the middle, and then they're trying to come down here, they can't come down here. And so price is not above or below these 2 lines, so this would be a no trade day. You can literally take no trade or you can take that short. And you'll be happy taking no trade because it didn't set up how you wanted it to. Another day right here. Same 2 no trades in a row. Price there, and then the middle line is literally right here. Yesterday's low, which is crazy. Price comes, it doesn't get above or below. I wouldn't even trade this day, and you can see there's not really a trade, just going up and down, taking people's money. So it helps you stay out of the market. Now we'll come back to another day. We got our low, we got our high, then we got our midpoint. Boom. So London comes, they got price above it. You click, take the buy, it'll close you out. You get out, closed out. Boom. Price heading back down, so it's heading to the middle line. From the middle line, it tries to bounce back up. It's above it. It can't hold it. It crashed down through. It tried to fall down through. Couldn't hold it. Came back up. So this is just one of those days where like this is a bad trading day. It's very volatile. I think this was a Friday. Yeah, this is a Friday right here. So this is just a Friday NFP news. Like they murdered everyone. Honestly, if it fell one time, I wouldn't even rely on this indicator. The best way to trade NFP days is wait for the 3 candles with the signal calculator. So you have your 3 candles right here. You will take that trade by. You had 3 candles here. This one fell. This one hit, and then this one even hit 2 right here. You got 1, 2. This one fell. Yeah, this is straight NFP. This is like murder scene. NFP. Some NFP days like they're just untradeable. No matter what you do, you're not gonna have good trading experiences. And I recommend when you're up a lot of money, I recommend not even trading on Fridays. Like if you make money, if you're up Monday through Thursday, you're just up a lot of money. Just take Friday off. Like you can make a little bit more money, yeah, but you can keep your money even better. So that's what I recommend. This whole week is like a trading range week, but price comes here, it gets below, it falls down. This is a nice little short. But this just gives you an idea of like the times we actually trade and look for setups. So this indicator is really cool. I really enjoy it. The setups are not as accurate as the other 2 indicators, but they give you setups, and they let you know what price is doing and how it's reacting to how Asia countries reacting to London and how London's reacting to New York. So you can get an idea of how the banks trade against each other. Like like Asia's right here. London took out the liquidity. Like we pushed the price up higher. New York came. They took all the liquidity from Asia. Asia's liquidity is down here. London's down here. They took London's liquidity and they took Asia. So it gives you an idea of what the banks are doing, which is most important. That's why we really like this indicator. And we'll go on to our final indicator. This is the ultimate trading indicator. It's actually my favorite one. And we're gonna open up the settings. So you can have bar accounts available. Let me go right here. So if you guys are familiar with how to count bars and stuff, you guys have bar counting. If you don't know about bar counting, there's no need to even use that feature. All right, so we got our weekly levels. Like it automatically maps out all the levels for you. You have a VWAP. VWAP is the average price, the weighted average price based on the session. So you always want to know what the average price is. Price is heavy above average, so you're taking buys. When price is below average, you're looking for sells. So you keep your average price. So you get right here. You got the info table right here. No, not labels. So right here. So boom. This is one of my favorite features of the indicator. It tells you exactly what the session is doing. So remember we had the other indicator that shows you session ranges. It shows you exactly what the session is. I'll open it up for a second. So boom. This indicator tells you the average session range. So during around this time in this session, the average range is going to be 13 pips. And in the current session range is moved 25 pips. So you're like, all right, move 25 pips. Average is 13, $25. Yeah, this is a big session. Actually moved a lot. $25 is a huge move. It came from down in the 1900s all the way up to like 25, 28. The gap size, it tells you the gap size percentage. The gap size is like how big, these are the gaps right here, like how big these gaps are. Like, so right now you got a huge 154% gap. That means the buy is strong, and it tells you a deal scalping size, so you can know how much you want to scalp for. Right now, if you're looking for scalps, you're just looking for little 29 points and out, 29 points out, 29 points out. If you're scalping, if you're going for a swing trade, you can catch 5 points, and you can see how small the market is right now. It's very small, so you're only gonna get you're gonna get 20 points only in this. 20 ticks. A point is like a tick, 20 points. And you're going to get, if you're going for a swing, you're only looking to catch 5 pips to 4 pips. And that's, you're going to see by the market how small these candles are. So that's why it's telling you this. When there's bigger candles, you'll get bigger pips and bigger swings. And it tells you to put your stop loss, have like a 2 pip stop loss, 2.6 pip stop loss to be safe. And that should keep you safe in this market. So it's a really good indicator. And then the way I like to use it is, so I'm going to explain the boxes first, and then I'll show you how I use all the indicators together in unison. So I'm going to show you some more features on this indicator. It's a whole lot of features. So this feature, we have our EMAs on this app also. We have EMAs, but I kind of just like to use these EMAs. So I use these EMAs in combination with it. So I'm going to delete that for now, just to show you guys what's going on. So I'm not going to show you the EMAs on the indicator because it shows you guys how to use them. But I'm going to show you guys how we use the boxes. And I'm going to go back to my settings because I don't need the bar count at this moment. Alright, so how you want to trade it is every time you see a box, a green box, you want to take a buy from this green box. So price is shooting up, it's right here. It's going to fall back, this green box is going to form. And when you see a green box, all you do is come to the box. You put your stop loss right here outside the lowest point in the box. And when price breaks back out of the box, you take your entry. You go for your 3-to-1. You catch a nice 3-to-1 trade. That's all you do with this indicator. I'm going to show you again with this wick right here. So price came out the box, closed back above it. Stop loss right here below the wick. Entry right above it where it's at. And then you take your, this didn't even give a 3-to-1, this gave like a 2.6-to-1. That might mean price might still have about a little bit of bounce in it. It might not. But that's all you do. Yeah, price is still kind of going up. But so it's still not complete. And then you'll have smaller boxes like this. Price comes in a box, pushes down, and this candle was the only trade. You can see right here how this is the swing. You got a 5 pip swing, really. You don't get much of a swing. Price came in this green box right here. I'll zoom in. Price came in, so this price pushed down, it formed a red box. Price formed green box down here, pushed the price up, pushing it up to this red box. From this red box, what you're gonna see is price come, turn around. So I'll show you how I actually catch trades on it. I don't like to do it on the 5-minute because these are small moves. And this is considered scalping. I'll go to a time frame like an hour, 2 hour, and boom. These are the boxes that I like to catch for my trades. So I'm going to show you guys how, and this is how I recommend everyone use it. Stay on the hour time frame above. You can be on a 63 time frame. It's cool. Hour, 30-minute time frame even works. I'm saying all these time frames are good, but the 2 hours is good. It's a lot of information in that. I'll go here. I'll wait for a box to appear on the 2 hour. And if you want to see more boxes too on the indicator, you can go in and get number of boxes you want to show. I can have it show like the last 15 boxes. So I'll do the last 10 boxes so we can see how accurate it is on the last 10 trades. And we'll do a 10 trade thing. So we got a buy box here. Stop loss. You can put your stop loss outside the box. You can put your stop loss at the end of the move, either or. So this one trade, I would put all the stop loss outside the box. So we got a 3-to-1. This one hit. We'll go for the next trade. Let's see how this one did. Next trade right here. Stop loss there. Entry. 3-to-1. That hit TP. We'll do the next trade right here. It's a huge box. So you got a huge move to make. And that trade hit. So that's 1, 2, 3. This box right here. Can't forget that box. It literally murders the higher time frame. Yeah. We got here. I'll come up and do the 3-to-1. So that's 4 trades so far. Let's do our shorts. We got a short box. We come here, we put our stop here. Short. Stop outside. And we'll come, we'll catch a 3 to 1. Let me zoom into it. Yeah, catch a 3 to 1 right here. Another 3 to 1. These are smaller 3 to 1s, but on a 2 hour it looks small, but on a 5-minute chart, these are huge moves. Like this one right here is 300 pips, so it looks small, but these are good moves. That's 1, 2. This is another one. Stop entry. 3 to 1. And you see some of these trades go past 3 to 1 too, especially in a higher time frame. But I just want to show you the accuracy of this indicator. Like, we work really hard to get it this accurate. Really hard. And 3 to 1. And this is like what, 500 pips. And I think that's 10 trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's not even 10. Alright, we gotta catch some more trades. Let me here, settings. Just put some more boxes out. I have to reload it. I have to probably reload the chart. Yeah, that's as far as the data can go back for us. So we got 1 trade, 2 trades, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can't really see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. It hit 8 out of 8 trades, but we didn't get to take the last 2. We couldn't see them because it's not gonna update. Maybe we can do it on another pair. Just go to that SPX or something. We'll pull this pair up and we'll do it on here. We'll take our last 2 on here. So yeah, this actually was our last SPX trade. I'm gonna just delete it. Let me just hit a TP. But we'll take our last 2 trades here. Short. This one hit 3 to 1. This short right here. This also hit 3 to 1. And let's see if this buy. Well, it just came back in the buy box, so it's gonna push out of it. But let's see where we probably gonna go next with the price. Huge. So yeah, I mean SPX probably about to make a move upward for a 3 to 1. It hit these 2 trades. It's in this big buy box, so it's probably gonna be able to push the price up. The short box just hit a 3 to 1. So far it's been 100%, but you know, like when we trade in here, we don't want to call anything 100% at all. So we're gonna label it as 90%, and we're gonna open up our simulator. And this is why this one's the ultimate indicator, just because the percentage is higher than even the other indicators we showed you before. We're going to 90% here. And me and Will just working really long on these indicators. Like, yeah. So 90% right here. This is a $100 account. 90% trading on 100 trades. You turn it to $1,600 just using these indicator signals. It's like I'll do some more simulations just to show you like it's not a fluke. But every simulation. If you're trading at 90%, you're making 2K, 1,400, or for $100. Like your money's never going. And this is risking 1%. If you're like, hey, I want to 3%, which you can't do, now you're turning that to 20K. You're turning that to 200K after 100 trades. This is literally the $100 challenge right here. That's what we're looking at. All these graphs go up, risking 3% per trade. And this is how we're gonna actually trade the challenge, which is really dope. That's why we had to get the indicator finished first. Because you might have a day where you're tired. Like as a trader, you know, like we're human beings. So, like we might have days where we're tired, we're off, something's not feeling right, and it'll take us out of our trading zone. Like we're emotion. You know, humans have emotions. Robots and bots and indicators don't have emotions, so it's always gonna show you what it sees on the chart live, and you're always gonna be able to take the same setup over and over. It's gonna give you consistent results, just consistently, and you know, like you could do some more, but this is how you use the indicator. We're running over 40 minutes for the video. We'll find some more boxes and stuff. Look, all these shorts hit, buys hit. We're gonna do more pairs, like you can see buy boxes, short boxes. This is US 30. Short boxes, short. Like even, and this pair is like hard for people to trade. People have trouble trading US 30. You're gonna be able to make child's play out of it just because you have this tool. And we were gonna originally charge like, I believe it was like 500 flat, 1,000 flat, or 1,000 a year for this indicator. And we just really wanted to be a little bit more affordable for people to have this type of technology. So we went with the lower price, and we'll keep it there for a second. We might, I don't know, like I don't know if we're gonna keep it up forever. I really don't know how we're gonna do it, but just enjoy this, guys. Like use this indicator, like, and enjoy it. Like you'll be able to trade in your own time, and it's gonna help you become a better trader too. Just understanding. And we didn't even combine we didn't show you the combination when you get both. We combine the signal bars with that and the EMAs and how we really trade. And then this will increase your profitability because you're taking trades when you see only everything lined up. You know what I'm saying? Like right here, you're seeing it's two. Right here, you see 3 red with the gap. So that's like a more guaranteed trade. It's a whole bunch of stuff you can do with it, guys. I won't run this video over an hour. Like, we thank you guys for watching. We appreciate everyone. We love all the support we've been getting. So that's why we've been working hard for y'all, and we're gonna continue to do it. Anything you want to say about the indicator before we leave, folks?
Yeah, definitely, man. I feel like this would be big for the fam, everyone with the Real Bros Network. Like, this will make trading easier for them. And then, like, if you want to get a feel for things like stop losses, it's in here. And
that is huge. Yeah, because most traders, like, I get a lot of messages. No one knows where to put their stop loss. No one knows where to take the profit. This tells you exactly where your stop loss is going. Take a profit.
Yup. So that's the questions we always get, like when we're streaming with trading, like stop loss, take profit. It's gonna be right here for you guys.
Yeah, and then if you guys have any questions about the indicators, just feel free to hit us up on Telegram at ChatGPT Ask your questions there. Let us know. And if you guys want to grab the indicators, you can grab them. The link in the bio below. You can use them, test them out, have fun. I really want to see the results from everyone. That's what I can't wait to see. Like now it's on the market. Like we already know our results with it. Like that's why we released it. We had a really good time with it. So I really want to see everyone's results, see the big trades everyone's making. Like, I'm excited. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Like, if you guys shoot some videos of you guys using the indicator and results you guys have, like send them over. Might send you something back. Like we'll find something. We'll send you something back.
Yeah.
But thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Real Bros Network. Ty.
Mugs.
And this is Real Bros Network. Real Bros Trading. Another video. Peace.
Peace.